already know. I'm gonna go try to find me a spot to do some draggy pulls. Actually going to attempt to do a parking brake launch because I've never built boost before on a launch. Let's see if we can break 4 seconds. I'm not gonna do this often. It's extremely hard on the transmission. But hey, we gotta make some content here. Let's turn off everything. Sound good. Oh man, keep coming and looking at this car. Look at this. Is this gonna be the next twin turbo vehicle? I don't know. This thing is so sick, bro. This red is straight popping, man. I love the lines on this car, man. For a 4-door sedan, dude, I mean, they killed this. I don't know, guys, who knows? Maybe one of my next videos, I'll be hopping in this bad boy with the Draggy and the GoPro and seeing what it's about. But man, the lines on this car are just perfect to me. It's so sick. So, you know, a little bit of motivation. You guys, if you want a car like that, get it, man. You put your mind to it. Don't let no one or nothing stop you, dude. You gotta network with people. You gotta work. Most important, dude, there's no shortcuts in life. There's no programs you're gonna buy or watch to get you a car like that. Unless you're part of the lucky sperm club, you got really rich parents and stuff's given to you. I'm sorry to break it to you. Hard work. Consistent hard work, patience, determination, all of that, man, is what gets you stuff like that. You just gotta hustle, you gotta grind. Speaking on this, I'm like big on vision boards now. I just started one and a lot of my visions are starting to come true. Sometimes, man, you just gotta go see stuff, or you gotta post stuff on your wall, or just do stuff, man, to see it, like speak it into existence. A lot of times I pull up to this coast to coast collection place here and I just look in the showroom. They got every car you can think of here, dude. Look. All of the nicest cars ever made are always here. Rolls Royces, every AMG, G-Wagons. My dream car is coming up right here. We got it outside today. Look at that, dude. That is freaking gorgeous. Look, I mean, they got the Bentley Bentegas, Bentleys for days. They got Ferrari, all the M cars, coast to coast. You guys should hook me up, man. Let me drive one of these cars for a day. All right, guys, let's go get inspired. Let's go check this out, get a little bit better of a up front and close view coast to coast import collection up here on the north side, Indianapolis.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up.
Anything you can think of, anything you can dream of here. All of the sick stuff is right here, surprisingly, in Indianapolis, Indiana. I really like the GT3 RS, and that's what I thought that was, but that's a GT4. So one day we're gonna have that. Once this channel takes off more, I'm gonna work out a deal with them, because I think that this location at this dealer, this is like a central hub. It's gotta be, dude. 'Cause such exotic cars are here. They're shipping all over the country to LA, Miami, Chicago, all over the place, because the inventory is just always rapidly changing, and they just have so many cars here. Like, they are doing such a great job business-wise, and I would love to promote them. Even if I have to stay on the lot with the car at first. Really tight if they let me take the car out. Obviously, I'm gonna have to provide more value and have more views and subscribers. It don't matter, dude. We're gonna get there. Whatever it takes. If I gotta rent a car on Turo, a GT3 or a Lambo or something sick, I'll start doing it. It'll be a business expense anyway. I got some plans for the channel, so hit that red button. Let's get these videos out here. Let's get some sick car enthusiast content. You guys are car enthusiasts with me, so let's grow it together. Yeah, well, I don't know why I put myself in these situations. Gotta remove this. Gotta remove the spare. I need every chance, every fighting chance that I could possibly get up against this M3 comp. The horsepower number on the M3 competition are like super underrated, I've been reading. He's lighter weight, so. Oh, there he is. All right, guys, so what is up? This is Twin Turbo, that piece of sh**. Oh, gosh, dude. This is gonna be so interesting. No, rev it up, let that cop hear it, bro. Let's grab some Starbucks.
I actually need it. Some caffeine.
Yeah. All right, Zoe. So, look, bro, you got a lot of pressure on you right now with the BMW community. What are you gonna do?
Hey, I want to straighten something out. There's no pressure here. Two totally different vehicles.
What if you lose to the Kia, dude?
Hey, it's a Kia that's all-wheel drive, so I don't know.
Well, this should be interesting. There goes your buddy. Yeah, bro, he wasn't kidding, man. Okay, guys, so on all serious level, we are going to be racing today. We're going to be doing some digs and rolls. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, because we have a couple videos that we made where he gave an impression of the Stinger as an M3 owner, and I got to drive his POV. Pretty sick stuff. And beautiful day out. The weather's actually dry today. When we made those videos, it was just freezing cold. Kind of a damp October day. So I think this is going to be a much better situation. All-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. Double the price on that bad boy there. Literally, actually probably more than double the price of this car. But he's got more horsepower and he is lighter weight, but he's rear-wheel drive. I am all-wheel drive for those of you who haven't been watching. That is the situation. So let's have some fun today, shall we? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, were you spinning?
Yeah, he was spinning.
Yeah, you were spinning. I don't know, bro. What do you think?
Right here is a bad spot.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. One, two, three, punch it. So sick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. As expected. 1, 2, 3, go.
So we got the 700 miles, baby.
Whoa.
Supposed to go to the winner, right? So
Yeah.
it's mine.
Well, yeah.
I don't know. I think the Yeezys do belong to you because, I mean, you did beat me.
I got my shoe plug here. So tell them about what you do, man. Tell them why we even did this idea.
I acquire shoes for a lot of people. Different Yeezys, Nikes, really anything. New Balance.
The harder to find ones?
Yeah, harder to find ones. You know, typically they're not the ones that you're just going to get to finish line and pick up off the shelves.
Yeah.
These are from Go, the original buyer, because most of the shoes I try to buy, if they're not from my actual shoe plug, I'm buying them from other people, so I got to make sure that they're actually from Go or from StockX or some other, you know, reputable source, you know, like eBay or something like that.
Okay.
So these are Mobs 700s.
Damn.
The only thing that are wrong with these are the ones on the side right here, the little blemish right here. But you know, when you're buying used shoes, like you want to look and make sure that things are pretty crispy, and these were very crispy. I mean, besides that little thing right here, I mean, these are amazing shoes.
Yeah, man.
Especially
look.
for 700 Mobs, like you you're not gonna find.
Wait. Are these gonna match my jacket or something?
These are gonna match your jacket.
Dang, dude, that's sick. Perfect.
Plus, you got a little green top right there.
Nice.
Perfect.
I actually found a Hugo Boss T-shirt that I'm gonna get that matches them. Kind of like a green color, but it's got a couple splashes of this too in there, so it's gonna match. Whole fit's gonna match,
So you're
bro.
gonna go all fresh style.
I'm going all fresh because I'm gonna, yeah. I'm already hurting their feelings when we're out racing, so I might as well kill them with the outfit. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna throw his handle up again on.
You know it's official when you hear that fart sound. You hear that? You know? Especially for the Yeezys. I mean, that official.
Okay. All right, man. Bet. Sweet. All right. Got some twin turbo merch coming in here, but here's the deal, man. Someone sent me a message on Instagram. They ordered a couple like a t-shirt and a hoodie, and the print was all messed up. So I'm like, well, now I gotta buy one and order it. So I'm gonna check it out. I haven't opened this yet. Could have been like with the holiday season, you know, like all the printing ink could be going low, and it could have been a situation where something like that.
Yeah, I mean, that makes sense.
Fix it though,
yeah,
because that's unacceptable. Oh yeah, this one isn't as bad, but I can tell it might be on my end, dude. So hold off. I'm gonna take down the link to the store, because obviously it might be something on my end, because this is the same situation. The dude that sent me a picture, it looks way worse on camera, I'm sure, but that should be a crystal clear image, and like you can see the haze like all around the lettering. YouTube logo came out fine.
Oh yeah, that's crisp.
Yeah, I mean, I'll still wear it. I'm gonna have to get that situated, bro. All right, man. Sick. I think we got enough content to make it a little exciting to see, you know, what the Stinger is against an M3 competition with 560 horse, more power, lighter weight. Dude, I got to rip the M3 competition. I highly suggest that you guys go follow me on Instagram and watch the live video that I posted. It's 40 minutes long. Just fast forward it to the part of me driving this thing again, and I really got a rip on it hard, and that thing is a monster. M1 mode, traction control off. Zoe, I owe you some gas money. Maybe I'll wear the Yeezys a couple times and then give them away to some kid who just would change his world. He'd be so happy for a pair of Yeezys. Let me know down below, and maybe I'll donate them to them somehow, some way, and maybe I'll go live with them or do something. We'll see. But I'm gonna wear them a couple times, because I won. That's gonna do it for today, guys. I appreciate all the support. Hit that red button, hit that like button. Let's get these videos out here. Appreciate everything. We're gonna be doing some more content with the M3, man. Hopefully this Sunday. So catch you later.